Hello again, this is video 2 of 2. So this is what your mentees will see when they log in to the Prep Academy. This is the home page, and they will be prompted always to use the course materials tab, which is right here, to navigate through the class. It's actually really important, and this might be something that you need to remind your students of. Using Course Materials tab is actually the quickest way to get through the Prep Academy. If they don't follow the table of contents and complete their tasks in order, it actually takes them longer to move through the class. So jumping around and doing things out of order is a really bad idea. I tell students that Prep Academy works sort of like a video game. In that there are certain competencies that they have to meet, and more information will open up after they meet those competencies. So for example, if your student logged in and saw all of these Prep Academy orientation the introductory letter assignment, if they didn't actually click on these and do the assignments, then the next module would not open up for them. So that's basic knowledge that you need and that they need. When they complete something, they get a friendly little check mark next to it. And so the goal is to have all check marks in all modules. So for example, in this Unit 1 Academic Success, they will have information on college level learning, on time management, and on writing effectively. Those are the big 3 topics in academic success. The writing effectively module is the last module in Unit 1, and it's meant to be a springboard into the next 2 units of the Prep Academy. My background as an instructor, as a college professor, is actually in writing, in professional and technical writing, and I provide a lot very, very specific feedback to students for each writing assignment that they submit. One of our primary goals in the Prep Academy is to make sure that students are ready to go and be writers at the college level when they leave the Prep Academy. And so that is like priority 1 for me as the Prep Academy coordinator, is to make sure that they are writing and that they are comfortable with writing, that they know how to decode writing lessons and how to take an assignment and know what to do with it. So that's a lot of what we do in Prep Academy. So you may get some complaints about all of the writing that they have to do, and obviously feel free to respond to those complaints however you think is best. But writing is important in college, and we want to give them the very best leg up that we can, so that when they leave the Prep Academy, they have this confidence and a belief that their voice is important. And so that's a lot of what we do in Prep. I think what you do as a mentor will really be important, and I'm excited to see what happens. I'm excited for you guys to get in there and get involved and get your hands dirty and meet your mentees and get to know them and just encourage them in important and meaningful ways. So I'm really excited about you guys, and I wish you well. If you have any questions about your mentees, please feel free to email me, abishop@memphis.edu. I cannot promise that I can give you specific information on your mentees because of privacy laws, but I'll do my best to help you do your best. Okay? Thanks for watching.